Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make pancakes, but not the classic American version, much more the European version of pancakes. I would describe them as a fusion of American pancakes and the French crepe. If you have never tried this style of pancake before, you've got to give it a go because it's absolutely incredible. Now enough talking, so let's dive into the recipe. To make this amazing sweet dish, you only need 6 ingredients. You need flour. I would recommend finely ground flour or all-purpose flour. Just use the one you would also use for cakes or pastries. Milk, soda water, an egg, salt, and optionally, but highly recommended, vanilla extract. That's everything you need, so let's start making the batter. The first thing you want to do is take out a big bowl and a whisk. To the bowl, add the milk, the egg, and a pinch of salt. Give this a quick stir and then add in your flour. Mix this well until it reaches a homogeneous consistency. You could also add the vanilla extract right now, but for some reason I decided to wait until the batter was nearly done. Now take out a second big bowl and a sieve to strain your mix through it. We do this to catch all the lumps of flour that have formed. Whisk all of the flour through the sieve and scrape down the bottom of it. Once it's done, I would recommend to immediately put your dirty dishes in the sink and fill them up with water. You will think of me in case you forget it, because scrubbing off dried batter can be a real pain. Now add the vanilla extract in case you haven't already, and also the soda water. The water helps to thin out the batter a little bit, and it makes the pancakes even softer. For whatever reason, it just works better than adding more milk. I got this tip from a restaurant owner in Vienna who makes some of the best pancakes I've ever tried. Look at this consistency. That's exactly what you want. Now let's head over to the stove. In case you have a crepe pan, this is the perfect time to use it. But you could get away with just using a regular non-stick pan. Set your stove to high heat. For me, a 7 out of 9 works great. An oil spray filled with neutral vegetable oil also comes in quite handy in case you have one. Once your pan is very hot and the oil is about to start smoking, pour in some of your batter. Now tilt your pan and try to evenly spread the batter. Just 30-ish seconds later, quickly flip your pancake with the help of a spatula and let the other side brown as well. Just 15 to 20 seconds later, your pancake is done. If you keep practicing, you might be able to flip it without throwing it on the ground as well. In Austria, we would traditionally use apricot jam to spread over our pancake, but I feel daring today, so I will use some strawberry jam. Nutella is also great, by the way. Now just roll them up, sprinkle some icing sugar on top of them, and your pancakes are ready to be served. And this, my friends, is how easy it is to make incredible pancakes.